Question 25. This is the last question on the paper. You get 6 marks for a correct answer, but if you attempt it and you get it wrong, you lose 2 marks. Let me talk you through how I solved it. And it's about ensuring that you've either got a common numerator or a common denominator so that we can compare the size of it. In this case, actually, it's the numerator we want to get the common numerator for, and then think about the size of each of those fractions. We can write x as this denominator subtract 1, because 111,110 is 111,111 subtract 1, all over 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And we could write that out as this, which we could also write, and we could replace this by just 1. And then if we wanted to get a, well, let's just stick it there for now. Y equals so we need to write this number here as a subtraction of this, where we subtract 2. And this one here this subtract 3 this time. And as I said, what we're looking for is we're looking for the to get a common numerator, not denominator, because we can't find, it's going to be a really big number if we're going to find the numerator of these. So we're looking for making the numerator 6 rather than a common denominator. Let's look at a common numerator. 1 subtract, now I want this to be 6, therefore I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. I want this to be 6, so I have to multiply by 3. I want this to be 6, so I multiply by 2. Oh, another 6, and then 8. And then I look at how I'm going to, how these compare. So I'm actually going to put them at the top here because I'm running out of space at the bottom. If we compare just these fractions, not the subtract part at the moment, but those fractions, we've got 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 9 is less than, which is this one. This is the smallest because the denominator is the largest. The next one is this one here, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 8. And then this one is the largest of those, 6 divided by 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. When we're subtracting them from 1, though, what we need to do is it means that the largest number actually means that the x will be the smallest number. So x is now the smallest number. This one is z, and this one is y. And in the question, it's actually reversed in terms of the direction of the inequality. So we could write it as x is greater than z is greater than y. And this answer just here is B. Phew, well done to anybody that got even close to that. It's not at all obvious. It is not at all obvious. You need to have some pretty robust fraction skills and the understanding of common numerators, and the fact they're just such large numbers really is very, very off-putting. So well done if you even got anywhere close to answering that one.